Today in math, your children taught each other how to do something called short division. And they had a great time doing it, and I think they learned a lot. So without further ado, here they are teaching each other. Okay, Kiko, inside the house, you're going to put this number. 7,176. Actually, that's 70,000. 7,176. 7,100 and then 76. Okay, beautiful. Outside the house, you're going to put the number 3. Yes, that should do it. Okay, now ask.
How much is 3 going to 7? Sagen.
2 times.
With the remainder.
With the remainder of what?
Of what?
How much is 3 going to 11? Alyssa.
3 times. With the remainder of 3.
How much is 3 going to 37? Anyone? Eleanor.
Wait. 3 goes into 11 3 times with a remainder of... It wasn't 3. It wasn't a remainder of 3. I think Matt has the answer in his head.
I can't see.
Then you. 1. Well, 3 times 3 is what? 9. So now count from 9 to 11 is 2. It's a remainder of 2, Kiko. There we go. That's going to help us a lot. Carry on.
How much is 3 going to 27? Matt.
3 times.
Wait. 3 going to 27. Be looking at those multiplication charts. 3 goes into 27. How many times without going over?
Lily.
9.
Yeah.
Are there any remainders? No. Gorgeous. It goes in evenly. And then you still got to do 3 into 6. 3 goes into 6.
How much is 3 going to 6? Jenna.
2 times.
Yeah.
Any remainders?
No.
No, goes in nice and evenly. I didn't even do that on purpose. Nice. And then you have to say, and that's how you do short division.
That's how you do short division.
And then you give them a round of applause. Okay, so Lily, let's begin. Inside the house, put the number 6,241. Okay, and then outside the house, let's put the number 4. And begin.
How many times is 4 going to 6? Angeles.
1 time.
Any remainders?
2.
How many times is 4 going to 22? Eleanor.
5 times.
Any remainders?
2.
How many times does 4 go into 24? Alyssa.
6.
Any remainders?
No.
How many times does 4 go into 1? Natalie.
And so then our remainder ends up being. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes. And then Lily has to say, and that's how.
And that's how you do short division.
Okay, a gentleman. Okay, inside the house, Ethan, we're going to put the number, it's going to only be in the hundreds this time, so we can go quicker, but let's do 987. So 987.
Easy.
And outside the house, let's put an 8.
Sorry, I didn't mean to put that.
It's okay. It's a freckle.
Yay. Yay.
All right. And teach.
All right. How many times does 8 go into 9? Angelus.
One time.
Alright. 1. And then what's the remainder?
1.
Alright. How many times does 8 go into 18? Kiana.
5.
Yeah.
With a remainder of 3.
Alright.
Actually, less than that. 8 times 2 is
I forgot.
16. Count up to 18, 16, 17, 18 is 2, yeah.
So, how many times does 8 go into 27? Eleanor.
3 times.
And what's the remainder?
3.
I think I just put that.
And then you say?
That's how you do short
So
multiplication.
short
Division.
yeah. Round of applause.
How do I stop it? How do I stop it?
Okay, Alyssa, in the house. Put the number 873. I'm not looking at numbers, I'm just looking into the middle distance. 873. Good. Outside the house, let's put the number 5. Really?
I was thinking 5.
All right, and go ahead. You teach them.
How many times does 5 go into 8? Aiden.
1.
Is there a remainder?
Yes, it's 3.
How many times does 5 go into 37? Kiko.
4 times. No.
Dylan.
7.
Is there any remainder?
2.
How many times does 5 go into 23? Mackenzie.
4 times.
Is there a remainder?
3. 174.
And that's how you do short division. Okay.
Okay, let's write down 7,429 inside the house. You can't erase. Yeah, it's hard. There you go. 7,429. He'll move. No worries. Divided by, and let's just do a 2. And then you can move over this way so they can see the TV screen. Or that way. That works. Okay, you begin.
First,
So move.
this is how you do this is how you do short division. First, you do, how many times does this 2 right here go, that 2 go into 7?
Here's the laser pointer if you want it to. Whoops. Wait. Wait. Shoot. There it is.
Oh. So, how many times does 2 go into 7?
And ask them, because they're pretty good at this stuff.
Savannah.
3.
Cor-
1.
correct.
So again, switch back to your pen.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
It's harder than it looks. It really is.
It looks like a fire pop on her face.
Yeah.
Yep, that's good. With the remainder of Savannah, what was it?
1.
1.
Yes. Okay, how many times does 2 go into 14? Jonas.
7.
Correct. Okay. No remainders. How many times does 2 go into 2? Oh, 1. No. How many times does 2 go into 9? Delilah. Why did I write that?
4 times with the remainder of 1.
Yes. Now you know how to do short division.
Give them a round of applause. Yay! So, Savannah, let's do 597 divided by 4.
597 divided by
597 divided by 4.
Okay. First, you have to do how many times does 4 go into 5? Bella.
1. 1 remainder 1.
Yes. Then you have to ask yourself how many times does 4 go into 19? Ava. Julian.
4 remainder 3.
Then last, you have to see how many times does 4 go into 37? Will.
9 with remainder 1.
That is how you do a short division.
That was fast. 900. Okay, Jonas. 930. 30 what?
31.
31. Okay. 931 divided by what?
4. 2.
7? Okay.
7.
931 divided by 7. Sounds good.
Okay, the first thing you have to do is to see how many times does 7 go into 9. Yeah, here.
Once. With the remainder 2.
Then you put the 1 up there and the 2 right here. Then you see how many times does 7 go into 23. Jeffrey.
3 with the remainder of 2.
And then you put the 3 up here, the 2 right here. And then you see how many times does 7 go into 21. Gracie.
3 times.
3 times with the with a 0
No.
with no remainder. That's how you do short division.